of the jungle, and she knows that which
This
part
call
is.
is now being recorded.
So Pati knows which part of the forest they are in because she had already seen it before, and she was quite familiar with this. So she warns the children, that please all of you all hang on tight and don't worry. I don't know whether we have done this or not, but just let me tell you a little about it. And she knew that this is a dangerous path. Why? Because on the right side was the singing grass while they were passing, and on the left side was the porcupine cacti. Now, porcupine cacti are very thorny. Okay, so she was thinking that at least to pass by the singing grasses was okay, though it will make you sleep because singing grasses had that humming sound, and if you pass by that, you will feel sleepy and drowsy, and you might even sleep off and fall off the pony. So to stay awake, she had told everybody if you have to start shouting and singing your rhymes, or you can see your multiplication tables. Okay, so and so they were all trying to move very safely. Okay, and I was found it's best to recite poems. So suddenly, they heard. Did I tell you this? That they heard a sound, a growling sound. If I haven't told you, then please tell me. If I've told you, also tell me that we've done this. So she heard a growling sound.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
We heard. Ma'am, we done this.
okay, we done this, and then you saw she fell on the
Yes,
on
ma'am.
that
She fell asleep.
she fell on Khabardar. Okay, we did that.
Yes.
Okay. Then she took herself awake sternly. I don't know why my voice is echoing.
Because I mute your mic.
Mute your mic. Okay. So the Shafiq, please tell me one boy's name who can read.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
No, Shafiq will call out. Shafiq, please.
Rehan Sheikh.
Shaf- okay, Rehan Sheikh. Rehan Sheikh, are you there? Rehan Sheikh. Rehan. Rehan. Rehan.
Ma'am, he's going in washroom.
Okay, you read better. What's your name?
Ma'am, I'm her sister.
I'm his sister. His sister. Okay, not her sister. His sister.
Hi, yes.
Uh, okay. Anybody else is there? Better you can mute your mic.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, Rehan F. Gabrani.
Okay. Rehan Gabrani. Rehan Gabrani. Gabrani Rehan. Rehan. Rehan Gabrani. Are you there? Rehan Gabrani. Rehan. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Saif
no.
Dasadia.
Save the Sadia. Save the Sadia. Are you there? Safe. Yes, Safe, please. Who, who is that boy making a noise at the back? Okay, Saif, please read. Please read this.
Then,
Then she shook herself awake sternly.
then she shook herself awake sternly. This sleepiness was just the effect of the dreaded singing grasses of the Vankhozi
Wankazimozi forest. Hmm.
forest. The two villains had probably made the mistake
It's not
of
villains, but it's not villains. It is villains, but it is not villains. It is villains. The two villains.
two villains had probably made
Hi.
the mistake of riding through the grasses, felt sleepy and being thrown off their ponies right into
Right
the
into the.
middle, right into the middle of the singing grasses. That's why they were still fast asleep.
Continue, continue.
7 months, 7 months are 7, 7 twos are 14. Damu shouted loudly when she realized that
He realized,
Party
he
was
realized
he
that
realized
party was.
that Party was feeling sleepy. Don't let the singing rushes get to you, Party. Come on, Vikas and Laila. He urged to start speaking or singing loudly.
Vix could, Vix who could continue.
Vix, who could never remember his multiplication tables, burst into a horribly tuneless Baba black sheep with such unaccepted loudness that his
Unexpected, unexpected,
unaccept, unaccepted loudness
unexpected,
unaccepted
unexpected
un, unexpected
loudness that
unexpected
loudness
loud, loudness that pony was started into a fast food. This distracted Party in the middle of her eight eights
eight aids are.
so she didn't hear a
So she didn't hear.
whooshing sound.
She didn't hear
She
Laila.
didn't hear Laila and Samuel
Laila,
out.
watch
Party
out, Pati.
pretended like a Tarzan wine. Suddenly she felt herself being clasped around
Clasped
the waist,
around the waist,
being herself
lifted right
clasped
off
around the waist, lifted right off her, whisked through the
a pony,
with a
whisked through the air.
soft thud on the something which felt as springy and strong as
Okay, 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 okay. Now all of you, please stop singing. Who's that?
a
Stop singing. Stop singing. Who is singing? Rachita Miss. So I have called Rachita Miss. She's going to come here and she's going to talk to you all. You're making a lot of noise. So let me explain. Then she shook herself awake sternly. That is, see, as I told you, that Pati was already feeling sleepy, and she fell on that. What is it? Yes, and the two villains were probably made a mistake of riding through the grasses and felt sleepy, and so they could see, that the two villains were there. Who are the two villains? Khabardar and the boatman who had tried to drown them in the beginning, and they never knew that they had not drowned. They were saved actually. So they were lying on the grass because the effect of the grass making them sleepy. Okay, was so strong that they fell off they slept off and fell off the ponies and they were lying on the grass. Okay, and they were like like in a sound sleep and opened their mouths and like they were opening their mouths and they were sleeping. Okay, and and here what happened, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Damu was shouting loudly so that everybody will stay awake because the sleeping they had to pass near the singing vines. Okay, singing grasses. So don't let the singing grasses get to you. Pati, come on, Pati, Vix, urged Laila. So Pati was, they could make out that Pati was near the singing grasses and she was feeling sleepy. Okay, so Pati, come on, come, Vix and Laila, he urged, start speaking or singing loudly. So she said that they were like Damu said that please, all of you start speaking or singing loudly because Pati is going to sleep. So Vix could never remember his multiplication tables. Even everybody was saying something or the other to stay awake. Do you know this is a way? Like for example, I told you or not, I don't know, but in Chennai we had a class like after games, after lunch. When the children come to school. I mean, to the class, what will the teacher do? She will make them say tables loudly, one ones are one, two ones are two, three ones are all these, loudly, so that they will not feel sleepy. Every time after sleeping, after eating, what will you feel? You will feel sleepy, isn't it? So to stay awake, we should speak loudly or start saying rhymes or multiplication. So the same thing was doing here, they were doing. So Biggs would never remember his multiplication. So Biggs, what did he say? He never said the multiplication because he was very weak in maths. So he knew Baba Black Sheep. So he was shouting on top of the voice, Baba Black Sheep. And he shouted so loudly that the pony on which he was sitting got startled, got scared, because suddenly he started shouting. Oh, and he started to run fast, shooting, start shooted off, trotting fast. This distracted party in the middle of her eight ones are eight. So what happened? This who was speaking loudly? Vix was speaking loudly, and party got distracted. And party speaking, party also to make her awake, like to stay her, see that she's awake. They all started singing loudly. But this distracted Party because Party was also saying her tables of eight ones are. So she couldn't hear while they were all shouting. Somebody was shouting from back, but the sound was not coming. And who was shouting? Laila and Damu were shouting, Party, look, the tiger, the Tarzan vines are there. The Tarzan vines, I've shown the picture of the Tarzan vines. The Tarzan vines. You can see the Tarzan vines over here. See these vines which are hanging. Okay, the Tarzan vines. They have got such a magical effect. It will just wrap around your waist, lift you up, and again it will unwrap and drop you somewhere. So what this they were. The Laila and Damu were going on shouting, Pati, Pati, be careful. You're passing near the Tarzan vines, watch out. But Pati suddenly felt, the Tarzan vine come and wrap around, clasp her waist, waist के पास, कमर के पास उसको lift कर दिया from the pony and whisked through the air. Means एकदम fast ऐसे जैसे कि swing में बैठे हो ना वैसे ऐसे swing करके again finally it released it with a soft thud and Patti fell, and she fell on something springy and spongy. So, who was the springy and spongy person? It was Kabardar. Kabardar was the cheater, the one who had come to steal the party's formula. Okay, so when she scrambled up, in a day, she realized that she'd been carried by the Tarzan vines and thrown on the sleeping Kabardar. So she realized now that suddenly that, the Tarzan vines had wrapped around her, picked her up, and then dropped her. And where did she fall? She fell on Kabardar. And Kabardar was jolted awake. Jolted awake means suddenly, if you are sleeping and somebody wakes you with a noise, you will wake up with a jolt. I said, so he screamed, his face turning white in terror. The old woman had drowned her and she has returned as a ghost to haunt me. Help, ghost, ghost. So, you know what? He thought that he didn't know that Pati had not died. So he thought Pati had died and now she's coming here as a ghost. So she thinks, help, help, the old woman. I drowned her, but I don't know how she's come back. She's a ghost now. Bhoot hai. So nine twos are. So the man also, along with him, who was sleeping, he also woke up with the yelling and shouting. Nine twos are 18, nine threes are 27, like that. And Party shouted, and the humming was so much louder right in the middle of the grass that she had to yell at the top of the voice. Because, two things happened. First, the vines, the Tarzan vines picked her up and dropped her on Khabardar. And secondly, she was near the singing grasses. Both the effect was there. She was feeling sleepy also. So she yelled at the top of the voice, She was starting shouting, Eek, help, this ghostly witch is chanting mantras and spell at us. Where's my bag? I have a gun. So both those men, they woke up from the sleep, from the drowsiness. And the boatman is saying, Where's my gun? I have a gun, I have to take out this ghost has come, I have to kill her. Now, please, I want the next boy to read.
Ma'am, can I know Ragi Basan?
Yes, Ragi Basan.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, ouch! The man screamed in surprise. Pati dashed off without stopping to look back at the two men trying to rub the chocolate-colored liquid off their faces. The,
Yes.
the children were waiting for her. The children were waiting for her on the narrow path between the porcupine cacti and the singing grasses. Leila and the Moo were tiredly chanting the multiplication tables as loudly as their parched throats would allow.
Throats allow while.
While Vix was still singing Ba Ba Black Sheep in a dull, tuneless manner, and
Okay,
waiting.
let me explain. So, so first of all, let me tell you that the vines dropped Patty on the Khabardar, and Khabardar and the boatmen, they suddenly woke up and they thought that Patty was a ghost because they knew that they had drowned her, but how come she got saved, you know? And so they are saying, come on now, y'all. She's that one of the men saying that get my gun, and hearing that gun part, you know, like Patty was very alert, you know, she became alert, and what did she do? She fumbled in a purse, you know, and what did she take out? The concentrated bottle of oil. Okay, and the thick bottle, it was like a thick chocolate. Okay, she took out the Wonder Grow Supersonic Hair Tonic. She removed the little cork. Cork is the cap, you know, on it, and flung the thick liquid onto their faces, you know, and she threw it on both the men's faces, and they were shouting to remove, you know, here are this men screamed in the surprise. Party dashed off without stopping to look back at the two men and trying to rub the chocolate colored liquid off the faces. And so while both of them were wiping off their faces, you know, facing off what was put on that, what did Party throw? Party threw the concentrated hair oil, hair tonic on them. And while they were wiping it off, Party dashed. Dash means she rushed, you know, she rushed back and without stopping to look back at the two, she rushed forward, sorry. And what happened? The children were waiting for her on the narrow path between the porcupine cacti and the singing grasses. So, where were the children waiting? The children were waiting for her. Seeing all this was happening, they were watching and seeing. And they were between the porcupine cacti and the singing grasses. So, the singing grasses, I told you what is the effect. But porcupine grasses, you know, they have a lot of thorns. So, what did the children do? They were also tirelessly chanting. They were tired of saying the multiplication tables over and over again. Okay, till their throats were dry. You know, parched means they were dry due to thirst. They were going on shouting because they didn't want to sleep, nor did they want anybody to sleep off. So, while Vix was still singing Baba Black Sheep in a dull, tuneless voice. So Vix was still singing very slowly Baba Black Sheep in a very dull voice because they were all tired of singing. Okay, the next boy after who's going to read now? Who's going
Hasan
to?
Kapasi.
Hassan Kapasi, please read better.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
And waiting with the
1 second. Huh? And waiting.
yes, and waiting with the children was a whole new set of problems to be sorted out.
Sorted out.
Sorted out. There were
Huh.
no ponies in sight. The children have
No, it is not children's beta, it is
obviously
children. Children itself is plural, okay? The children had obviously.
children had obviously been thrown off by the ponies, which had then run away. They now sat crouched on the path, with different bits of clothing wrapped
Around there.
around
Around
their heads and arms as protection. Patty
uh,
felt a scorpion like a sting on her
on her.
arm as she reached the group.
Okay. So while they were waiting for party, the children were singing their rhymes and the tables and all that till their throat was dried up. And the there was new ponies. Now what happened now? By that time, the ponies also had run away because of so much of noise. You know, the ponies had left them, and the children were obviously crouched. You can see the picture over there. You know, okay, the children were obviously being thrown off by the ponies, which then had run away. Now they sat crouched on the path with different bits of clothing wrapped around them. See why they had wrapped different clothings, you know, like on the head and on the hand and all that to protect themselves from the thorns. Because on the left side was the thorny porcupine thorns, porcupine cactus, and cactus has a lot of thorns. Have you heard of cactus? You must be having somebody in the garden, you must be
Yes,
having
ma'am. Yes,
cactus.
ma'am.
Yes,
In
so it is
desert,
very
they are most friendly.
yes, yes, yes. So the children they sat crouched over there. You can see over there in the picture, and they had different clothing. Means whatever they got in the hand, the napkin or the caps or whatever. They started wearing and putting everything on the arms and face to protect themselves from thorns. But Pati felt a scorpion-like sting as the arm she reached for the group. So what did Pati feel suddenly? That somebody was pinching her, like like a sting, जैसे मच्छर काट जाता है, कुछ काट जाता है, कैसा लगता है. But this was a scorpion like sting. Scorpion बहुत dangerous होता है. तो ऐसा इतना जोर से उसको sting लगा. वो क्या लगा था actually? The thorn. Okay, Pati had also got hurt because of the thorn. Ouch, she winched in pain. I want somebody to read this better. Who's going to read this? Who is going to read this? Boys, please. Who's going to read this?
Ma'am, can I read Hassan
Yes, Hassan,
Kapasi?
please read. Yes, Kapasi, you read just now, but doesn't matter. Continue. Ouch.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ouch! She winced in pain as she removed the thorn which the porcupine cacti had shot into her arm.
Or
She wondered how they were going to get through this part of the forest without getting thrown up their noses, or even worse, through their eyes. How were they going to get to Mount Monashrampur with the ponies?
without the ponies.
Without the ponies.
Party
Pati
refused.
refused. Pati refused to walk through the singing grasses again. Those villains have a gun. She explained, "We can't take the risk of going near them. We'll just have to go through the porcupine cacti somehow."
Somehow. Hmm.
Yes,
Damu's shoulders.
Damu's shoulder were
Continue.
etching.
Damu's
Yes, he
shoulders
looked
were aching.
thin and
It not looked, it's
etching.
looked. He looked thin and
Yes,
weary.
he looked thin and very, but was in fact extremely strong. When he trained at his father's
Wrestling gym.
wrestling gym every morning, he used to 50 kilo sacks of rice instead of dumbbells, so he had been given the heaviest bundles to carry. He eased the bag off his shoulders, letting it drop to the ground with a clang that sent the
Granite. Granite.
granite cedar, the ginger grater, and the
The
spinach
ginger
oil.
grater.
Yes, the
The ginger grater and
ginger grater, and the spinach oil strainer spinning onto the soft grass.
hmm. Okay, let me explain. Then we'll. Okay. So, and what is we were here from where did you read? Ouch. Okay. So Party was hurt by the thorn, and ouch, she removed the thorn, which the porcupine cacti had shot in her arm. Arm is the hand part. Okay, and she wondered now how how they were going to go through this part of the forest without going a thorn up their nose or even their worse through the eye. So she was wondering that now this was again another difficult part because on the left side were only thorns, all the porcupines cactus was there, and you know that it can hurt you anywhere. You have to be very careful. So she was thinking that either we'll be hurt on the nose or it might be even in the eye or our body. So how are we going to go to Monashtampuram without the ponies? First of all, the ponies had also left. Secondly, they had to rush because the two men were awake and they had a gun. And third, they had to pass this difficult path because of the cacti. Okay. So Party refused to walk through the singing grasses again because she knew that these villains have a gun and we can't take the risk of going through them to going near them. We'll just have to go through the porcupine cactus. So that is the only route left. That we can't go near the singing grasses because the two men were there. They were awake and they had a gun. And secondly, they had to pass near the porcupine cactus. Though it was dangerous, they had to pass that. Now Damu's shoulders were aching. He looked thin and weary, but was in fact extremely strong. See, Damu, he was able to carry a lot of weight because he had been, trained at his father's wrestling gym. So he had been trained before by his father, and he used to carry heavy bundles of rice, and he is, in the gym you lift dumbbells, okay, those heavy weights. But for him, he used to carry the heaviest bundles of the sacks, 50 to 50 kilos sacks. That is, each will be 50 kilo, 50 kilo. He used to lift them up with both his hands, as a practice in the gym. So he was trained to carry a lot of weight, and the maximum weight was given to Damu. Okay, so Damu had the maximum weight, and so now on the soft grass. Now he was so tired that he had been given the heaviest. Sorry, he eased the bag off his shoulder, letting it drop on the ground with a clang that sent the pomegranate under cedar, the ginger grater, and the spinach oil strainer spinning onto a soft grass. So what happened? He slowly dropped the he sat on the grass and he slowly dropped the bag off his shoulders because he needed to take a little rest. And but when he dropped it, what came out from it? The pomegranate seed. That is, they had something with which they could take out the pomegranate seeds, and the ginger grater. So you know how what a grater is. आप लोग घर में करते होगे ना, जो cheese grate करते हो, ginger grate करते हो. So they had a ginger means adrak, and the spinach oil, that is the palak ka oil strainer tha. They had brought even the oil to strain, okay. Oil and the strainer. So strainer means वो छलनी, जैसे कि आप चाय you all strain the tea. Okay, in the same way, they had brought on strainer for spinach oil also. So Party picked up the spinach oil strainer. She held it over her face. Now you know that how the strainer is. आपको मालूम है ना चाय की वो कैसी है strainer? All of you know how is a tea strainer? Yes or no?
What, ma'am?
You know what's a tea strainer? जिसे चाय छानते हैं.
No, ma'am.
चाय ऐसे
Oh,
उबाल के
okay,
सीधा.
okay.
हाँ, so
Yes, yes, ma'am.
yes, so there was a bigger size of that. Where it was the spinach oil strainer that was bigger in size. So what did Party do? Because it has net like thing in that, no. So Party, what did she picked up the strainer and she held it over her face, and the smile beamed right through the steel mash at the children. So she in a very jovial manner she put that strainer on her face. Okay, because the bees, and she was scared, of the swans and all that might poke her. So she wore it, and she started smiling at the children. So who would have thought that we'd be carrying masks and helmets with us, with her only comment as she started searching the bundle. So she was searching for, everything to wear on the head, face, and all that. So she said, it is a mask-like thing for me because it will protect me from thorns and from bees and everything. So hold that over your face like this as we go through the cacti. So she said, handing Wicks the big strainer. So he gave the big strainer. Okay. He gave the big strainer to Wicks. That take Wicks, you hold it and cover your face with it so that it will be like a mask for you. Okay. So and here is the strainer for you, Laila. You can use this grater. So there was another. Oh, हम लोग मम्मी लोग आपकी she makes she strains pizza, she grades pizza like thing ना, pizza grade करते हो. Then there is a big खमनी आप लोग बोलते हो जिससे वो आप दूधी खमनते हो मम्मी. Yes. अरे ऐसे फोन बात मैं कोई में आई पूरी नीचे. Okay, so strainer. So this party is given to Naila that you use this crater as a mask in front of your face. Okay, and the baskets were, and so sorry. And here's a for you. So okay, I'll manage the cane basket over my head. So they had one cane basket. Cane basket जो bamboo या लकड़ी का बनता है basket, वो basket था. So she's saying I'll wear the basket over my head. Okay, so it'll protect me from thorns or from anything. So as so and so swathed in layers of clothing, wearing the pots and the baskets over their heads like helmets, holding the strainer over their faces like masks, and looking like characters made from Bronze Age action thriller. Party said, Party and the children got safely past the porcupine forest. So let's see if the picture is there. No. Okay. So they held, what did they hold over the face? They held the strainers. Then they used the grater also as a mask. Then they used the empty baskets, cane baskets over their heads as helmets. So all these were used over there and looking like characters from some Bronze Age action thriller. तो वो लोग को देखने में कैसे funny लगता था ना? They were looking like Bronze Age means बहुत पुराना कोई picture है action thriller उसमें कैसे characters को dress up करते हैं? They were like that. And Party and the children got safely past the porcupine cacti. Okay, so they passed the porcupine, that patch of. अच्छा इसके बाद कुछ है कि नहीं? Anybody has got a book? Anybody's got a book?
हाँ यस मैम है बुक टेक्स्ट
इसके
बुक है
बाद में कुछ है बेटा? इसके बाद में
मैम 1 मिनट देख लेते हैं मैम लास्ट में सेफली पास द पॉर्क्यूमिंग कैक्टी इतना ही
बस
है
इतना है ना? So
यस
yes, so what is it now? They safely passed the porcupine cacti, and they would have finally reached Monashrampuram, which is not mentioned here. Okay, I think there's nothing after that. I suppose, is it there?
नो मैम नथिंग
Nothing is there, no. Okay, so till now, I hope all of you have understood everything. कुछ समझ में नहीं आया तो मेरे को पूछ लो. Please ask me.
नो मैम नो डाउट
Everybody, are you clear with what I have explained to you all? Because
यस
Rohan sir will
क्लियर
ask you questions and you should be knowing what I've taught you. Okay?
यस
Yes or
ओके मैम
no?
यस मैम
Okay. Hmm. Now what is this now? Let me read. From the forest to grasses, from bees to people, almost everything and everyone has been given a name in the excerpt. So fill in the blanks with the names of the following. What was the name of the forest? What was the name of the forest?
विन कोजी मोजी
Vine Cosimosi. Then what were the vines?
वाइन मैम सिंगिंग
Isn't yeah, no.
टार्जन मैम
Ma'am,
टार्जन
And vines. Correct. Then what are the bees? Bees. It is
व्हाट
Bohemia.
मैम
Bees.
ma'am, we have to write this in Fairbook.
First you write in a textbook with a pencil, and if sir is sending the PDF, I don't know. I'll have to ask him.
मैम व्हाट सेकंड यू आस्क
First is
फॉरेस्ट
Kazimosi Forest. Then the third is second is Tarzan Wise. The third is Bohemia Bees. Now let me show you the word bees when it is about the bee stings. Um, Let me see if it is there. If you remember the bees, let me see where's the bees. It is Bohemia or something. Let me see. Yeah, you can see behemoth bees. Can you see?
यस मैम यस मैम
Behemoth bees.
यस
Yes,
यस
behemoth bees. Okay. So behemoth bees. Then what's the next question? Uh, the dash cacti is porcupine cacti.
Ma'am, that answer is porcupine.
Yes, number 4 is porcupine. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Number the sentence.